Listen to this. The Sacramento County Board of Supervisors could soon give law enforcement more power to move the homeless off public property without offering a shelter bed.
The board will vote on amendments to the county code that would change how law enforcement deals with illegal camping next month. ABC 10's Luke Clary has the details.
The conversation comes after a Supreme Court ruling in June that many cities and counties have interpreted as a green light to siting and clearing homeless encampments without necessarily having to offer a shelter bed. But what does this mean for Sacramento County?
And with that, Mr. Chair, I would move support of the item.
We have a motion and a second.
A unanimous vote to forward changes to Sacramento County Code to next month's agenda. If passed, it would expand sheriff's deputies' authority to move homeless encampments without offering a shelter bed. Sacramento County District Attorney Teen Ho spoke in favor of the changes.
Law enforcement can come here and do what I call compassionate enforcement. And that's what the county is trying to do right now, and I think it's a great job in doing so.
The amendment would simplify the county's existing ban on camping near critical infrastructure to unlawful camping on all public property. It will require officials to give homeless people 48 hours notice before clearing camps and vehicles off public property, except when an encampment poses an imminent threat to public health or safety or is within 1,000 feet of a shelter.
But do you think that this amendment would increase the number of sweeps?
I think that what it does is it's going to keep the amount of enforcement similar to what it's been in the last year in the county, but it makes it more simpler and easier for law enforcement to know what is and what isn't an illegal encampment.
Would it be safe to say that you're skeptical of this direction?
Yeah, definitely.
John Ingram's Powerhouse Ministries in Folsom provides resources to homeless people, serving more than 3,000 individuals last year. He worries the county amendment could result in more sweeps.
It ends up pushing people straight towards the other cities that don't have the same funding. And with the lack of funding and the lack of resources, it's just building more encampments just down the river more.
The district attorney doesn't share those concerns.
What would you say to reassure people that are skeptical of this direction?
I think what is draconian and what is inhumane is letting people die in the streets, letting people continue to be stuck in the throes of addiction and the cycle of homelessness. We have to find a way to get people off the streets.
The Sacramento County Undersheriff told the county board that he didn't believe the amendment would mean a significant change for the sheriff's office operations. He said that deputies would continue to focus on crimes being committed against the homeless, like domestic violence and sexual assault. Reporting in Sacramento, Luke Clary, ABC 10.
Luke, thank you. We'll be tracking this. The Board of Supervisors will vote on this November 5th.